intro. So, this is it. Cue the video. So, I only got 3 tips, but they're really important. 3 tips for how to be a hashtag. I can't do the sign with my, because I'm holding the phone with my camera. I'm holding the phone with my camera, y'all. I'm holding the phone with my hand, because I'm filming on my phone.
You sure?
But anyway, I guess. Sorry, I can't see. Use your time wisely.
Oh my gosh, here we go.
Clap, everybody, clap! Okay, so that means that if you are laying in your bed,
Right now.
getting that extra,
Yes.
getting them extra Z's,
Yeah.
putting in your time, chances are you don't need that nap.
Yes, we do.
Sometimes we just need to tell ourselves we do not need that nap.
Yes, we do.
It's a hard thing to do, but you gotta tell yourself that. Get up.
I can't go 1 second without sleep.
Get up, okay? Get up, plan your project, get it done early, even if it's not due till 2 months later. If you have the stuff to do it, go ahead, do it. If you need to plan a business, go ahead, do it. If you need to plan an organization or party or whatever, do it.
No.
If you got homework that's not due for another week, do it. You're going to thank yourself. You're going to thank God that you did it.
Okay, yeah, different story.
Tip number 2. Okay. Tip number 2. DOS.
Incoming!
Lena threw a dolphin at me. Bruh.
Okay, I'm good.
My glasses.
I died. Do you want to open the casket, close the casket? Do you want to be burnt?
Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Tip number 2. DOS. I don't know how to say 2 in French, so we're going to keep it at 2 and dos. Tip number 2 is have your mind made up.
I'm seriously.
That's a real brain teaser. So basically what I mean by having your mind made up, knowing what you want to do in life, know what you want to pursue, know what you want your career to be, know whether you want to go to college or not, and chances are if you are a girl boss, you want to go to college. And I'm just talking in the aspect of teens, but if you are an adult and you have not went to college, you can, even if you have gone to college, you can still go to college. Cause it's like for everybody, because everybody can go to college.
I want to go to a college of unicorns.
My grandparents, they're an unknown age. My granddad, he's an unknown age. I'm not going to tell you what it is. And he went to, he went back to college, but it was like a Bible college. And my mom and my aunt, they're like 100 years old, and they went, back to school. And they went to school, and they're doing fine. So yeah, old people can go to college too. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Tip number 3. The final tip. The final countdown. Sorry, that's my dog. So, what I got for this tip is slay. What? Yes, honey. Cue the paparazzi. Something's been thrown at me. It's a bottle. My face. Okay. So, I'm not a beauty guru of any sort, but all I have for that tip is to remember to be beautiful on the inside and the outside. And take care of yourself. Yeah. Go get mani-pedis and exercise. Just basically do things that I wouldn't do, you know, get your eyebrows on flick, go exercise, go outside, things that I would never do. Okay, so go do those things. But and then don't pick at your lips, y'all. Don't do that. That's not cute. If your lips are chapped, put on lip balm. Do not do what I did. Because I was like, I got bored and I said, because I was bored. Do not get bored. That's another tip. Do not get bored. Okay? Because you just going to them lips. And them nails, but do what I did and let your nails grow out. Like, get some acrylic and let your nails grow out. Ooh, thumbnail. Oh, is that why you're doing now? Alright. But yeah. I think that was it for the video, y'all. Alright, y'all, that was the end of this video. Sorry for the month difference in posting videos. I was going to post this next Wednesday, but I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to probably post it today. Hopefully, I can get it done. And hopefully, and also, if I can find some stuff, I have my new background up. But Mama, she got me curtains. It's like white. She got me two. One is plain white, and then the other one is white with gold hearts on it. Y'all see it? But if I can find the stuff, I'll have it up for the next video. But I hope y'all like it. Did you like it? Leave a comment and put a thumbs up. Go like it. Like it now. And I will see you guys later. Well, you'll see me later, but you know what I mean. Goodbye.